So hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today is my ninth video regarding a small project Indian state quiz using Turtle and Python. So what we will need here, I have made a folder called Indian state quiz, and I have given us a poetical map without the naming, and one more thing I have shown here, that is state name. So here is all the states and its coordinate x and y axis according to our turtle window size. Okay, these two files will be provided in my description, and you can download from there and proceed your programming. So let's open my PyCharm. Okay, and open the project, open the file as Indian state quiz. Okay, let it scan all the files, and afterward we will proceed. Okay, so let's make a main file. So Python main. Okay, all set. Yeah, so afterwards let's import our turtle and pandas. So today onward we'll start pandas and tk inter. Okay, so it is basic, very easy thing. If you want to read something, so we have to read in this thing in a type of dictionary, but using pandas it is become very easier to read and to operate with the values in the csv file. Okay, so first we have to import turtle, and one more thing, import pandas. Okay, one more thing, if you import the pandas, you might be getting an error under pandas, so you have to import that using like we have to. Okay, here is the setting, plugins. From here you can get it, and one more thing you can also from settings, their thing, editor or project. Yeah, getting project, Python interpreter, and here you will get option pandas, or you can import it from using plus symbol and pandas. So it will taking time as my internet is very slow today, so you can get it from here. Okay, nothing, you have to install it. So afterwards we have to make a screen, as we all know, screen, which we can import from turtle dot screen. And one more thing, let me set up my screen and give the width as 600 and height as why it is not showing. Yeah, getting. So it's 720. Why became 720? Because our this gif its resolution is 600 by 720, so that is why I am given here 600 by 720. If you take another file, means another gif, then you have to measure it using some tools by resolution. Means in the internet you will get many tools where you can measure the width and height of a gif. So afterwards we have to one more thing we can install, like screen dot title, and let's make it Indian state guessing quiz. Okay, That's all. So let me once check it. Okay, one thing I have missed, screen dot exit on click. Yeah, and let me check once again. Yeah, and now let me change the background of this particular turtle. So for that we can use, let me use my image and get the image like state. Okay, let me copy here, vertical copy and paste it here. Yeah, and change the background as so it's very easy, as we have earlier done the background color. So here is background pic, so bg pic, it's very easy. And let me import that image, so image. Yeah, and once more let me check it. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, now what we have to do, let me read the CSV file. So to read that, reading the CSV file, so for that what we have to do, like data equals to, we have to take the help of pandas, and using pandas read CSV and copy the, okay, it's not taking, so let me copy once again and paste it here. Yeah, so here we have all imported. Let me check it, and if you don't get, see, here we get all the CSV file values from 0, its index Jammu and Kashmir of index x axis of minus 134 and y axis of this. So all we get here, and now we have to use this data for our quiz game. So next what we have to do, let me take one thing, so convert it into list. So to convert this data into list, like states, so equals to data dot state dot not state, it's states, I think. Let me check once again. Yeah, states. So states dot, now to convert it we have to use the inbuilt function to list. Yeah, and if I just print the state, see what we get, a list containing all the states. Okay, all the states. And one more method is there to do so, like without using the dot method we can use like this also, and here we can initialize states. So this is the best thing you can do, but I prefer dot. If I have the option to use dot, so I am using dot so that I can read it very easily, and that's all. So next, after getting a list containing all the states, here we can use our turtle part. So name equals to turtle dot turtle. Yeah, and let me pin up my turtle. So pin up, we don't have to read anything, and let me hide my turtle too. Yeah, all done. Okay, after that, okay, I don't need this. So after that we are getting correct guesses equals to a blank list. Here we will append the correct guesses which is made by the user and put it into the list, correct guess list. Okay, and now what we will do, sorry, now what we will do, we will transverse traverse the length of correct guesses. If the correct guesses is greater than 50, then it should end our game. So for that, what we have to do, let me guess or guess state. Let me guess state and take the input from the user. So to do so, we will screen dot text. We have done this in the last video, text input, and here we will implement the title. Let me do that. Guess state, guess the state, and after that prompt will be okay. Let me just resize this part so that you can see it. So prompt will be name one state. Okay, so let me run the, yeah, it's working fine. And if I run anything, so it is running. Yeah, let me cancel it. Okay, so we have to force cancel it. Okay, next what we have to do, if this thing will run up to 50 times, and the length of this value will never be n because nothing we have appended it. Okay, so now what we will do here, it's very easy to do. Like if our guess state equals to exit, then we will just break it. Okay, so what I have done here, I will write anything but still it's going on, but if I do exit, then it will exit. Okay, so if I remove this, then it will nothing be affected in our project, as because this will run unlimited times, but as soon as I click exit, it will be exited. Okay, so this is the part for exiting from the game. And now what we will do here, let me make a new or rather than let me do it afterwards. Okay, now what we will do here, after this, if the guess state in states, okay, if the guess state in state is correct, then correct guess dot append, and we will append the guess state. Okay, and one more thing you can see here, each state starts with its capital letter. Okay, but if the user give it in small letter, then it will not take. So what we have to do, let me title it, so it will be change the first character into uppercase. Okay, so now what we will do, if the correct guess, if the guess in its state, then we will append it in our correct guess part. So next new, we have to get our new x, and the x part we will get from our data. So data and data dot states, okay, equals to correct guess guess state dot x. Okay, what I have done here, we will get a new x coordinate where x of this particular guessed item, if I guess here like Jammu Kashmir, then the x part is minus 134 and the y part is 293. So here I will copy this part, or if I will access this part, and we will use for our turtle to write on this part. So if I do new y and data dot states equals to guess state dot y. Okay, so here we will get our x and y coordinate, and we will change y coordinate, and we will change our turtle position using go to and new x and new y. Okay, and there we will write our guess part. So name dot write, and we will write our guess part, that is our guess state. Okay, and what we will do, change our font. Let me use our basic part Arial, and size of 10, and let me do it bold. Okay, bold, sorry, bold. Okay, so what I have done here, let me show you. If I do it West Bengal, so here you can see I've written West Bengal, and what it does, okay, giving me a error. What is the error? Screen off. Okay, what I have done here, the part which I have given new x and new y, it is of string. Okay, so let me change it to int so that it gets it the value as an integer. So int, now it should work. Let me check once again, West Bengal. Yeah, so as you can see, okay, as you can see, the West Bengal part is gone to its particular place. And let me do it once again, Kerala. Yeah, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan. And let me do it for one more thing. We can do it here, that is okay, that is change this part to guess the state. Let me change it here to scores. Okay, so what will be the part, length of correct guesses, so correct guesses divisible by total number of state is 28, so that is 28. So here you can see, if I check like West Bengal, so here you can see that 1 by 28. Okay, now if I do Kerala, 2 by 28. Okay, next if I do Rajasthan, 3 by 28, and it will be increases. What is showing that text input as T, prompt will be line number 21 dot title. So what I have made the anything wrong? None type object has no title. Nothing I have made. Okay, nothing. It's, I think, giving the title error. So no, nothing else. Okay, now let me modify something for you. So let me do it here. Let me automatically start a new, if you don't want to guess much, if you guess only 3 or 4 correct, and rest of the states will be already used in a CSV file. Okay, so what we will do here, if I make a list like missed states, and here we will use a list comprehension. So for that, what we will do, state for state in states, okay, but I will also use a condition here. So what is the condition here? Like if our state is not present in guess state, then it will be appended to its, or not guess state, let me check it to yeah, it's okay, or not in correct, okay, correct guesses. Okay, so here we will make a new CSV file. So to make a new CSV file, it's very easy. We have to use a data frame. So new data will be of pandas dot data frame, and here we will use the missed states, and now we will change this new data to our new data CSV file. So to do so, we have to use new data dot to CSV file, and we will initialize the name of the new CSV file, states to learn dot CSV. Okay, now we can break it down. So let me once run and check it. So like Assam, and next West Bengal, and what we can, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Rajasthan. Let me exit now. Okay, as you can see here in the project file, it will automatically make a CSV file. Okay, if I click OK, see, it has automatically made a new CSV file, and here you will get the whichever state you have not guessed, so it will be shown up here. So 21 total you have not guessed. Okay, not 21, it's 22. Okay, 0 to 21, that is 22. So this is all for today, and please do subscribe and enjoy this project, so you can use for your particularly college, not final year project, not for college supporting project, so you can do it for this. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and do subscribe and support my channel. Thank you.